Good morning to all. I am Jadu Atyusha, studying BZC second year at TTWRTC Women's Utnu. Today I am dealing the subject chemistry. We all are know that in our daily life we are using chemistry in many ways, such that now I am taking as a topic in chemistry is chemical bonding. In chemical bonding, I have chosen the hybridization. First, what is chemical bonding? Definition: a chemical bonding is a lasting attraction between atoms, ions, molecules that can form a chemical compound. It means it can form ions, ion atoms can form a chemical compound is known as the chemical bonding. Now about discussion about the hybridization. Intermixing of a atomic orbitals of nearly same energy to form equal numbers of new set of orbitals is known as the hybrid orbitals, and phenomenon is called as hybridization. Means orbit which contain same energy and equal number of new set of orbitals is known as hybridization. Next point is the hybridization concept was proposed by Linus Pauling. Means first proposed in hybridization is the Linus Pauling. Next is the it gives the information about shape, bond and molecule. In this hybridization only inform into the shapes and bonds and molecule. Next, some silent feature of the hybridization. In hybridization is the some silent feature. That is the first one is the hybrid orbitals involved in the sigma bond formation. Means in hybrid orbitals is the only form to the sigma bonds. That is no form to the another bonds. These are the these are participated in bond formation, but electrons are not participated. Means in hybridization participated in the bond formation, but electrons are not participated in hybridization. The number of hybrid orbitals equal numbers of atomic orbitals, means equal energy and equal numbers in the hybrid orbitals. They, con- they contain equal energy and equal shape. In hybridization is total compound formation, totally equal energy and equal shape. Next one, the geometry of molecules, bond angles and structure can be predicted. Means in hybridization using in the geometry of molecules and bond angles and structure is the using in the hybridization. This is the silent feature of the hybridization. Its next one is the before going to types of hybridization, we should know about the Euler diagram. In Euler diagram, 1s, 2s, 2p, so sp,df orbitals. I think all are know that such as s orbital contain only to the 2 electrons and p orbital contain only to the 6 electrons and d orbital contain only to the 10 electrons and f orbital contain only to the 14 electrons. By this we can fulfill the electrons in electronic configuration. In this base types of hybridization. In types of hybridization, many types of the hybridization. In first sp hybridization. In sp hybridization content to the content structure of the linear structure, and sp2 hybridization is structure is the trigonal planar, and sp3 hybridization structure is the tetrahedral. Now I am explaining about the only three hybridization, but sp3d hybridization structure also trigonal bipyramidal, and sp3d2 hybridization is structure is the octahedral, and sp3d3 hybridization structure is the pentagonal bipyramidal. But many types of hybridization, but I am now only explain about the this is only three hybridization. Okay, first sp hybridization and sp2 hybridization and sp3 hybridization. Okay, sp hybridization. In sp hybridization, one s orbital and one p orbital, its content formed to the two sp hybrid orbitals. Huh? So is known as the sp hybridization. One s orbital and one p orbital to form to the two sp hybridization is known as the sp hybridization. Next one to the sp2 hybridization. In sp2 hybridization, one s orbital and one two p orbital. In sp hybridization, only one s orbital and one p orbital. In sp2 hybridization, one s orbital and two p orbitals, and form to the three sp hybrid orbitals is known as the sp2 hybridization. In next one is the sp3 hybridization. In sp3 hybridization, in sp hybridization only one p orbitals. In sp2 hybridization only two p orbitals. In this sp3 hybridization, three p orbitals and one s orbital is content. It form to the sp3 four orbitals. In 4 sp3 hybrid orbital is known as the sp3 hybridization. In sp hybridization, sp2 hybridization, sp3 hybridization. Now discussion about the sp hybridization. How to form to the sp hybridization. First, look at this sp hybridization. In sp hybridization, in sp hybridization, one s orbital and one p orbital combine to form two sp hybrid orbital is known as sp hybridization. Means, look at this, one s orbital and one p orbital is sp hybrid orbitals is known as the sp hybridization. In sp hybridization, bond angle is the 180 degrees. 180 degrees is the bond angle. In this, the 50% of s orbital and 50% of the p orbital. In the sp hybridization, bond angle is 180 degrees. In sp hybridals, in sp hybridization, there are some examples: BCl2, CO2, BF2. Now I am discussion about the BCl2. Next, formation of the BCl2. In BCl2, B is the atomic number is the 4. In BCl2, B is the central atom. B atomic number is the 4. In BE, electron configuration is ground state. This is the ground state. Ground state means normal state. In normal state is the 1s2, 2s2, 2p0. Means p orbital is totally p orbital is totally no orbitals. In p orbital is the no orbitals. 1s2, 2s2 is the fill orbitals. So in ground state, electron configuration BE excited state is the 1s2, 2s2, 2p1. Means in this 2s is the 2, I have 2 electrons. In this one electron jump to the 2px1 electrons is known as the BCl2. It totally BCl2 formation. In BCl2 hybridization is formed to the sp hybridization. In this excited state of Be, one 2s orbital and one 2p orbital combine to form to 2sp hybridization is to form to the 2sp hybridization. Each sp orbitals contain one electron. Means each sp orbitals its contain one electrons only. In this is the Be and two chlorine atoms. In this is the linear shape and 180 degrees. This is the linear shape and bond angle is 180 degrees. This is the structure of BCl2 and form to the sp hybridization. Next, to discuss about the sp2 hybridization. In sp2 hybridization, one s orbital. Look at this. One is the s orbital and one is the px orbital and py orbital, means two p orbitals, one s orbital and two p orbitals. It's combined to form three sp2 orbitals. Look at this, sp2 hybrid orbitals, means one s orbital and one px orbital. In p orbitals, they have three, px, py and pz. In s orbital, one px and one py. It's formed to the sp2 hybridization. This is known as the sp2 hybridization. In sp2 hybridization, its shape is the trigonal planar, means this is step in this shape, means trigonal planar. In sp2 hybridization, some examples are there. What is examples? BCl3. BCl3 means boron trichloride, and BF3. BF3 means boron trifluoride, means now I am discussion about the only BCl3. How to form BCl3? Next, formation of BCl3. In BCl3, B in BCl3, B is the central atom. In B, atomic number is the 5. Hydrogen, helium, lithium. Then B is the atomic number is the 5. In electron configuration of B in ground state, look at this. This is the ground state. In ground state, 1s2, 2s2, 2p1 only. 2x khali, 2x no electrons, and 2p also no electrons. Only 2px have 1 electrons. This is the ground state. In the next electron configuration, B, excited state. Excited state is the 1s2, 2s1, 2p2, 2p2, 2px1 and 2py1. In this 2s electron jump to the 2py electrons is formed to the sp2 hybridization. This is the sp2 hybridization. It is the BCl3. B is the atomic number is the 5. This is the ground state, 1s2, 2s2, 2p1, and excited stage is the 1s2, 2s1, 2p x1, 2py1. Is this 2py1 electrons is 2s electron jump to the 2py1. Okay, this total is the form in the sp2 hybridization. Next, discuss about the boron trichloride structure, BCl2, BCl3. Sorry, BCl3, which structure? BCl3 is the trichloride. Trichloride means, look at this. This is the boron. This is the boron. This is the chlorine. One chlorine, two chlorine, and three chlorine. This is the three chlorine bond formation. Is structure is a trichloride. This is the BCl3 structure. Next, this is the boron trichloride, mean BCl3. This structure in BCl3, this is the boron, and this 3 is the chlorine atom. This 3 is the chlorine bonding. In this chlorine bonding formation is the distance is 120 degrees. Is this chlorine also 120 degrees. This chlorine also 120 degrees bond formation. And this chlorine is the form to the sigma bond, sp sigma bond. This is the sp sigma bond, and this chlorine form to the um, sigma bond only, and then 120 degrees in form to the boron atom. This is the BCl3. BCl3 structure is the trichloride. Okay. Next one is the sp3 hybridization. sp3 hybridization means sp hybridization what? One s orbital and one p orbital is known as the sp hybridization. And sp2 hybridization is one s orbital, only one px orbital and one py orbital. is known as the sp2 hybridization. In sp3 hybridization, one s orbital and p in p have the three na one x px py pz, that px orbital and py orbital and pz orbital. These three are the participate into the sp3 hybridization. Is px py pz, is px py pz and one s orbital. It's combined to the sp3 hybridization. This is the sp3 hybridization. This shape is the tetrahedral. This is the tetrahedral. Look at this. One s orbital, one px orbital, one py orbital, and one pz orbital. It's formed to the sp3 hybridization. This shape is the tetrahedral. Look at this. One s orbital and three p orbital and combined to form to the 4 sp3 hybridization. 4 sp3 hybridization shape is the tetrahedral. In there are the some examples. What is examples? Look at it. Formation of CH4. In CH4, look at this. Carbon in CH4 is the central atom. CH4 is the central atom. In CH4, C is the atomic number. C atomic number. What is C atomic number? 6 means hydrogen, helium, lithium. Look at it. C is the atomic number is 6 na. 6. So electron configuration of B, electron configuration of C in ground state. Look at this. Electron configuration of C ground state, carbon atom in ground state. 1s2, 2s2, 2px1 and 2py1. What is this? 1s2, 2s2, 2px1 and 2py1. In electron configuration B, excited stage. In excited stage in the 1s2, 2s1, 2px1 and 2py1 and 2pz1. In electrons, 1s2, 1s2, 2s1, 2px1 and 2py1 and 2pz1. In there are the 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 6 electrons. So this electron jump to the 2p1 electrons is formed to the sp3 hybridization. Look at once again. Carbon atoms in ground state 1s2, 2s2, 2p2 na. This excited stage is the 1s2, 2s1, 2px1, 2py1, 2pz1. If this electrons is 2s electrons add to the 2pz1 electrons, it's formed to the sp3 hybridization. This is the formation of CH4. Next structure. Structure is the one s orbital of hydrogen. This is the one s orbital of hydrogen plus and carbon sp3 orbital. This is the carbon sp3 orbitals. It's formed to the methane. This is the methane. Look at this. This is the methane. This is the 4 carbon and this is the 4 hydrogen and this is the carbon. This is the methane. Thank you for the given opportunities. Thank you everyone.